Okay. Now, without wasting time, quickly write your name and other details in the chat box and open your textbook, page number 137. Yes, it's already time. So, children, from today onwards, I'll be dealing EVS for your section. Okay. Previously, I dealt English, isn't it? So from today onwards, I'll be dealing EVS. Is that clear? Is that clear, children? There's no response from your side. At
Yes,
least one or two. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Shall we start? Only 10 students have joined the class. What about the other students? Only 10 have joined. Okay, I'll start the class. Now, did you all open page number 137, page number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the chapter's name? Divya, what is the chapter's name?
Nandita in Mumbai.
Very good. Nandita in Mumbai. So with this chapter's name, what did you understand?
Ma'am, Nandita is a girl and she was in Mumbai.
Very good. Very good. Who is that?
Shara.
Yeah, good. So there is a girl named Nandita and she went to Mumbai. Now, can you tell me where is Mumbai? And Mumbai is the capital of which state? Can you tell me? Anybody? Any idea?
Maharashtra, ma'am.
Very good. Is it Akshara again? Yeah, Maharashtra. Very good. So it is the capital of Maharashtra. So can you tell me what is the capital of our state? What is our state? First of all, what is the name of our state?
Telangana.
Very good. Right. What is the capital of Telangana?
Hyderabad.
Very good.
Hyderabad.
Good, good. Very good. So as now Hyderabad is the capital of our state Telangana, similarly Mumbai is the capital of the state Maharashtra. Have you heard of this state named Maharashtra? Have you heard, children? Maharashtra? So that is the
Maharashtra is
okay. So Maharashtra.
Maharashtra state capital Mumbai.
Very good. Yes. Now what happened is Nandita. See, you can see a small girl here. She is Nandita. So she went to Mumbai. So why she went to Mumbai? What is it? We will read in the lesson. See, I will not be reading the lesson as I used to read in English. So that is different and this is different. Okay. So a gist of it, I'll be explaining it to you. And you have to, after the class, you need to read the lesson. Is it, children? Is that clear for you? So what happened?
Yes,
a month ago, that was 1 month back, Nandita, she came to Mumbai. And you can see here in the picture, she came with her mother. And behind, what is that? You are seeing, what is this, ma?
Train.
Yes.
Railway station.
Yes, this is a railway station and this is train. And so many passengers, they are moving here and there, isn't it? So by seeing this picture, what did you understand? That Nandita and her mother. Yes, Akshara?
And her mother came to railway station, ma'am, first.
Not came to railway station. Actually, they came from village to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So, what happened? Yeah, they came in train and they got down from the train and they are waiting for someone. Who is that? They are waiting. This girl is waiting for her mama. Who is Mama? Mama means who is Mama? Tell me.
Ma'am, brother, my mother's brother.
Mother's brother is called as Mama. Do you all have mamas?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So your mother's brother is called as Mama. Okay. Yes. So this girl and mother, say mother's brother. He is brother. So this girl's mama is this person. So when they got down from the train, they were very much worried as to there was so much of crowd in the railway station. So they don't know their mama's house. So they were waiting for their mama to pick them up. So suddenly she heard a voice from behind. Say, you can see mama is waving his hand. What is he calling from behind? Nandita, Nandita. He's calling like that. So she turned back and she saw her mama. And all the three, they went to mama's house. Okay. You can see there's so much of crowd in Mumbai. And especially in the railway stations, you can see the crowd, how the crowd is. See here, how much the crowd is. So lakhs of people are there in the railway station. Can you see, ma? This is called as crowd. So many people. And this is true. Okay. Next. Next page. In next page, you can see here, Mama, Nandita, and Nandita's mother. All the three, they are going to their mama's house. This mama's house, you know, it's not a big house. It's a very small house of only one room. That's all. They have only one room. That means they are very poor. Have you seen such houses with only one room? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So they just they walked through the narrow streets and finally they entered into Mama's house. And there in Mama's house, who are all there? Mommy is there and then two daughters and one son. Mommy means who is mommy?
Ma'am, mama's wife.
Wow, yes. Mama's wife is called as mommy. Even you also have mamas and mommies, isn't it? Do you
Yes,
all enjoy
ma'am.
with mamas and mommies and their children?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
When they
ma'am.
come to when they come to your house, you will have fun time, isn't it? So
Yes,
in the same way here, mama and mommy's house, see their house is very small, only with one room. That's all. So in that room only, see they'll sit there, they'll sleep there, they cook there, they wash there, all in one room they need to do because it is very small and they're very poor. So by seeing all this, Nandita, of course, she got adjusted. And first thing, why Nandita came to Mumbai with her mother? Can you tell me?
Her mother have to treatment.
Actually, yes. Mother is not well, so she needs treatment. In Mumbai, we have many super specialty hospitals. So she thought that in village, there are no medical facilities. So she thought that to get her mother's treatment in Mumbai. So she came to her mama's house to get her admitted in the hospital. Okay. So what Nandita says is, means what she is thinking is, even in village, their house also has only one room, but they doesn't do all these activities, that is cooking and washing, washing and all, bathing and all. They do in separate places. See, my house in the village also has only one room, but there are separate places for cooking and for bathing. And they have a courtyard also. What is a courtyard? An open space outside the house. That is called as courtyard. But whereas mama's house doesn't have a courtyard or doesn't have a separate place for cooking or bathing or washing or sleeping. All they need to do in only one room. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
And here,
Yes, ma'am.
you can see here in this picture, you can see, cooking is done here, sleeping is done here, and sitting is done here, and here washing is done here. So everything in one room only. Are you able to see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about water facility? See, in our houses, we get water. How do we get water, ma? Drinking water or the water which is used for daily use? Yes?
Tap.
Taps.
From tap.
Tap will be there in your house or not? Or do you have to go somewhere else and to fetch water?
We have tap in our house.
Yeah. So we people, we have taps and there is no dearth of water for us right now. Maybe in summers we may have, but right now we don't have any dearth of water, and the taps are there everywhere in the kitchen, in the toilets, and in the wash areas and all. We have taps, isn't it? But here in Mama's house, how they fetch water, do you know? Morning 4 o'clock they need to wake up.
From wells.
So there is a public tap somewhere at the end of the lane. There is a public tap. There they need to go, wake up at 4 o'clock with their pots and buckets and all. They need to go there. Suppose if it becomes late, then they will not get water. And there also so much of line will be there. So lengthy line. Okay, to fetch water, you need to wake up at 4 o'clock. Otherwise, you will not get water. You can see here. See how people, you can see this picture. At the end of a lane, 2 taps or 1 tap will be there, and so many pots. See, so many people, they'll be waiting to fetch water. Are you able to see the picture, ma? So is this, see, how pitiable condition is this? But do we have such situation? No. We are very lucky enough that we have taps everywhere in our house. Next. So what Nandita says is, here and sometimes, have you seen quarreling people near the public taps to fetch water? At least in movies or in villages, have you seen such a scene?
Yes, ma'am.
See, but we don't have such a scene, isn't it? But what Nandita says is, even in their village also, they don't have taps in their houses, but they need to go to a pond in the village to fetch water. Suppose if the pond gets dried up in summer, then they need to go to rivers. They need to walk for so many kilometers and fetch water. But there won't be any quarrelings. They need not to wake up at 4 o'clock, isn't it? Whenever they wish, they can go to pond or river and fetch water. Okay, children. You can see here how they are fighting for water. See the quarrel. Are you able to see this picture, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
They are quarreling for water use. So such fights will be, they are common in villages. Not in villages, actually, in slum areas. And here, and one more, toilet facility. See, we have toilets in every house, isn't it? But here in Mama's house, where Mama stays, there at the end of the lane, one or 2 toilets will be there, and everybody uses only that toilet. And you can see there is a lengthy line for that also. Oh, I'll show you. See, at the end of the lane, just 2 toilets, 1 for men, 1 for women, and you see the line, how people are standing to go for toilet. Do we have such situation? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We have toilets in our houses, isn't it? So we are very fortunate enough. And these toilets will be stinking. very dirty. What Nandita says is the toilets are very dirty and she is unable to use the toilet. And more, what she says is even in village also, in her house, there's no toilet. But where people discharge their waste material, they go where? Near the ponds, near the water bodies, the open area. You can see here, in the open area, people go for toilet. But is it good, children?
No.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
Going for toilet in open areas, is it good? You tell me.
No, ma'am.
No. What will happen? Yeah, what will happen? See, this is going toilet in open area is called as open defecation. That is not good actually, because it leads to infections. Yes.
Yes,
So that's why what government has done is so many, it has constructed Sulabh complexes. Have you heard of this word Sulabh complexes?
No, ma'am.
We have to pay and use the toilet. And in cities also, government has constructed so many toilets. Nowadays, every week where you can see the toilet near the bus stops and everywhere, you pay and you have to use in order to avoid this open defecation. You have not seen the toilets, pay and use the toilet? No. Okay, fine. So now government has constructed so many toilets and Sulabh complexes, okay, in order to avoid this open defecation. And here there are few questions. Let us try to answer. Why did Nandita have to bring her mother from the village to Mumbai? See, children, the notes for this, just a minute, the notes for this I'll be sending you. Don't worry. Now just you listen to my teaching. That's all. Notes I'll send you later. This is only orally you answer. Why did Nandita have to bring her mother from village to Mumbai? Tell me. Yes, for her treatment. Yes, because she is ill, so she brought her for a treatment. Next, Nandita used to feel like vomiting when at first she had to use the toilet where Mama lived. Why? Why she felt like vomiting?
Because toilets were very dirty and she was
Yes,
unable to use.
very dirty and smelled so badly. So that's when she felt like vomiting. Cleanliness is very important, isn't it?
Yes.
There is no cleanliness there. Next, in what ways did Nandita find her mama's house to be different from her house in the village? Can you tell me, ma'am? So what are the differences? One difference you tell me, Tahura, what is the difference between her house in village and Nandita's house and Mama's house in Mumbai? One difference?
Like 7, like 9, then
Akshara? Yeah, Akshara, one difference.
They have only one room and everything to do.
Yeah, everything they used to do in only one room, but whereas Nandita's in village,
House has two 4 rooms.
No, only one room she had, but there are separate places for bathing,
doing
and cooking
things.
and washing and all. And one more difference,
And
there is a courtyard in Nandita's house in village, but there is no courtyard in Mama's house, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And any differences? Any other differences?
ma'am, they would be not fighting to fill the water bucket, ma'am.
Yes, right. That is one difference. Another? Regarding toilets, what difference?
Ma'am, the toilets were very dirty and she was unable to use, and I
There
heard
was only a single toilet at the end of the lane, and whereas in the village, they used to go openly, open defecation. Okay, fine. Next, what differences did Nandita find between getting water from the public tap and the village? What is the difference?
fighting, man, and they are not fighting for water that much.
Yeah. So in Mama's house, in order to get water, they need to wake up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, isn't it? And sometimes they will have quarrels also to fetch water. But in the village, there is no need to wake up at 4 o'clock. As and when they wish, they can go to pond or river to fetch water. Okay? Yes. Was there electricity at the place where Nandita's mama lived? Electricity.
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And light.
No. There was light. Yes. Now here, you can see what this, she is mommy. What is she doing?
She
Sweeping. Sweeping where?
at the living room.
Living room.
Is it her house?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, it is someone's house. Like she-
someone's house. Well,
like
she
maid.
is a maid over there. So she works in some 3 or 4 houses as a maid. Okay, because they are very poor, isn't it? And
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
every day Nandita goes to hospital to see her mother. In how will she go?
In
Bus, in crowded bus. So in the beginning, she was very much afraid to go in bus and she didn't know how to take ticket, how to stand in a line. But later, as days passed on, she got used to everything. Okay. So mommy, there is a near mommy's house, there is a big building, and in that building, in some 3 or 4 houses, mommy works as a maid. Okay, maid means what all work she does? Do you have maid in your house?
Sweeping,
Yes,
washing dishes, washing clothes,
yes. Cleaning house.
washing utensils.
Yes, yes. And sometimes some maids they cook also.
Yeah.
Do you have maids in your house?
No, ma'am, I did not have.
Okay, fine. Now, so you can see here, mommy is cleaning in one of the houses. So near mommy's house, there are so many tall buildings, like see, so many buildings like this. So you see in these buildings, in some 3 or 4 houses, she does work as maid. So one day, mommy, she took Nandita along with her to those houses. See, those houses will be somewhere in the 10th floor or 12th floor. How do you go to such top places?
Escalator, ma'am, or elevator.
Escalator, yes.
Escalator or
escalator
elevator.
or
ma'am.
lift. Okay. So Nandita, she was really unaware of lift, how to use it, because she came from village, isn't it? She doesn't know how to use a lift. So along with her mommy, so now you can see she is in the lift. She was very much surprised, and at the beginning she thought that, oh my God, it is in the 10th floor, how to climb the so many stairs and all. She was very much afraid, but she didn't know that there was a lift to go to the higher places. So she was very much thrilled, and see, it was like a big iron cage with fan, light, and even a bell. Isn't it? In lift, we have all these things: fan, light, bell. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen a lift? Okay. So when you press the button, so the floor button, that is, if it is 10th floor, you have to press 10, 12th floor means 12, then it will lift it up you quickly to that floor. Isn't it? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now this is all, let us talk and let us discuss these questions. Do you know anyone who was admitted to the hospital? Any of your friends or relatives? No. Okay. For how many days was he or she in the hospital?
Ma'am,
Yes.
brother was
Yes.
he was in hospital for 1 month only.
1 month. Oh, such a long time. Okay. Did you visit the person in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Who was looking after the patient in the hospital? Who was there along with the nurse? No. Okay. Nurse will be there, but any of the family members?
And mother.
Okay. Mother.
Mother and father.
Okay. 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 Then have you ever seen a tall building?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you see? Where
near
did you
my
see?
house.
Near your house. Okay. How many floors did the building have? How many floors? 5 or 10?
5 floors.
10. 5.
25
Yeah, there's so many floors.
25 floors.
Okay. How many floors did you climb without using elevator, without using this lift? How many floors can you climb? 3.
Five.
Okay. Now you can see this house here. How
Another
is this
house.
house looking? This is a bathroom, washroom, and this is the living room.
Living room.
Yeah, this is
And this is the kitchen room.
that's not kitchen. Fine. Now, mommy took me first to Bablu's house. Okay. So here, I just told you that mommy, she works as a maid in 3 or 4 houses. So one of the houses is Bablu's house. So this is Bablu's house. Okay. So Bablu, where was his house? His house was on the 12th floor. It was a very big house and so many rooms, one to sit in, one to eat in, one to sleep in, and one to cook in. And their toilet was also in the house. And it took mommy a lot of time to clean the house. Can you tell me why it took so much time to clean the house for mommy?
Ma'am, because the house was very big.
Yeah, it was very big. So many rooms it had, isn't it? And there were taps everywhere. The bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, the courtyard, everywhere there were taps. And what Bablu did, you know, in order to take bath, he just opened the tap and he went to the living room and he sat before the TV and he started watching TV and tap was on. So what will happen, you tell me?
The water was getting waste.
Yeah, bucket got filled and the rest of the water, it was just wasted. So this was not liked by Nandita. Nandita came with her mommy, isn't it? So she saw this and she was very much worried. Why so much of water is being wasted? And where we people, in order to get water, we have to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. We have to stand in the line to fetch just 2 or 3 buckets of water. But here, what Bablu is doing, he's wasting water. So she was very much worried. She immediately went and she just closed the tap because she knows the importance of water. Are you able to understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Bablu's house had big glass windows. And mommy told Nandita, Nandita, you just peep out from this glass window. You can see our street and also our house. So out of curiosity, Nandita, she peeped out of the glass window. She could see Mama's street where they lived, but she couldn't identify their house. Okay. Because from 12th floor, everything will, they look like small toys, isn't it? Have you anytime been to 12th floor and from there, have you peeped down? Have you anytime seen from such Yes, Akshara, have you seen from such top floor?
Yes, ma'am.
So how people look on the ground? People or houses?
They will look very small.
Yeah, like toys, isn't it?
Yes.
Such height, they look like toys. Now you see, so these are big buildings, and this is the street or the slum area where Mama lives, just beside the tall building. When Nandita first came to Mumbai, what were the things that she was afraid to do?
Crowd.
Yeah, she was afraid of the crowd. Yes. And one more regarding what?
She was afraid to go on to the bus.
Yeah, she was afraid to go by bus to see her mother who was admitted in the hospital. And then toilet. She was very much afraid to go and use the toilet because it was stinking. Isn't it?
And dirty.
Yeah, it was very dirty. Okay. So what were the differences between the houses where Mama lived and the houses in the high-rise buildings? You can see, these are the places where Mama lived and these are the tall buildings. Is there difference between these two types of houses?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Definitely,
ma'am.
there are so many differences you can tell, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all these differences just now we discussed, and I'll give you all this notes, don't worry. Tell about yourself. Draw a circle around the kind of house you live in. What kind of house you live in? You have to draw a circle. Is it the type of house like Nandita's house or Mama's house or Bablu's house or any other kind of house? So what is your house? Of which kind is your house? You have to circle. Will your house be like Nandita's house or Mama's house or Bablu's house or any other kind of house? So you have to circle that. Okay, you have to do that now. This I will not be giving. You have to do that. If you have pencil or pen with you, you can just circle it.
Ma'am, I did not have book.
You don't have what you don't have?
I bring Xerox, but this time my dad picked 17 chapter Xerox, so I did not write.
Okay, even if it is Xeroxed also, you can. All this will be there in the Xerox copies, no?
And tomorrow I will bring and write, ma'am.
Okay, okay. But you only have to do all these activities, ma. I'm telling you because I'm discussing this and you need to do for yourself. So you have to circle. Next, where does the water come from in your house?
From tap.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay, okay. So all this you need to write there.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there
Okay,
an
ma'am.
electricity connection in your house?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. So you have to write yes. So for how many hours in a day do you get electricity?
24 per 7.
24/7. Yes, very good. So you need to write all these answers here. So which is the nearest hospital in the area where you live? What is the nearest? What is the name of the hospital which is very much near to your house?
Air hospital.
Okay, so you need to write the name of the hospital here. How far are these from your house? See, bus stop. If you take bus stop from your house, how much time will it take for you to walk to the bus stop? Minutes to walk to? Is it 5 minutes or 10
Minutes to
minutes?
10 minutes.
5 to 10. Also, you have to write here 5 to 10 minutes. And how much the distance will be? Will it be 1/4 kilometer or half kilometer? You need to write here in kilometers.
Half kilometer.
Okay, whatever it is. Okay. Next, school. Similarly, the school. How much time will it take for you to walk from your house to school and the distance? Similarly,
Okay.
market, post office, hospital. So all this you have to write for yourself. This is your homework, today's homework. Next, again, today's homework is draw pictures in your notebook for the different kinds of houses in your area. So in your previous classwork, listen, in your previous classwork, you need to draw different kinds of houses. Okay? The houses which are there in and around your house. Some 3 or 4 kinds of houses you draw. Yeah? Yes. Next. Mama had said that he would take me around to Mumbai. So what Mama said is because she's staying in Mama's house. Mama, Akshara, concentrate. So, so you can see here Nandita. She is Nandita. So Mama told Nandita that, okay, fine, you came here and it's a month you have come. Let me take you to Mumbai, the places of visit. And what Mama told is, okay, I'll take you to Chowpatty. So it is Chowpatty is a place near the beach. So you can see this is a beach. Okay, near the seashore. This place is called as Chowpatty. And she also heard that at this place, you can see so many film stars will be coming there. So she was very enthusiastic and very curious to go to Chowpatty in order to see those film stars. Film star means what? Hero, heroines. Okay. Are you able to understand? So this is Chowpatty. Chowpatty. She was very much excited to go there. But what happened, you know? Mama was very worried these days. Why Mama was worried? What happened? Because last week, some people came to Mama's house and they told him to vacate that place. Vacate the place where he is living. Not only Mama's house, but the houses which are there nearby Mama's house, they asked them to vacate the whole place. Why? Because they said that a hotel will be built there. A big hotel will be built there. So they asked those families, all the families and all the houses people to vacate that place. So Mama is very much worried. See, if somebody asks you to vacate your house and go somewhere, where will you go? You tell me. Will you be worried or not?
Yes, ma'am. Worried.
If somebody asks you to vacate your house and go from here, when somebody they tell you like that, you will be worried, isn't it? So in the same way, Mama also is very much worried. Okay, they have showed some far off place. They asked them to construct a house there. But it is very difficult for Mama to come from such far distances to the place where he is working. And it is also very difficult for Mommy to get another house to work as a maid. Isn't it? So many differences, and they don't know where the place where they have shown to construct a house, will there be electricity facility or water facility or transport facility, all will be there or not. So they're very much worried, isn't it? So that's why Mama is worried these days. And these are the questions. Okay, all these questions, I'll give you the notes, don't worry. And here what you have to do is draw a picture of house of your choice and color. Here in the textbook, what you have to do is the house of your choice. In your choice or in your dreams, there will be a house, isn't it? Like the house of mine should be like this, like that. It should be so colorful like that. Some house will be there in your dreams, isn't it? So that house, you draw it and color it. Okay. The previous exercises which I told you that you write in the textbook, and this also you draw it here. This is your homework for today.
Okay, ma'am.
Notes I'll be sending you. Don't worry. Is that
Okay,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah, after the class,
Yes,
after the
ma'am.
class, I will send you. No scribbling,
Yes.
please. See, till now, you are like very good children. There was no scribblings and you have listened to the class. There was pin drop silence. Really, I'm very happy for you. Very happy. So you have to maintain like how you maintain in the classroom when there were offline classes. In the same way, you have to maintain online classes also. Today, really, there was very good discipline. I'm really very happy and I congratulate you for this. Very happy. And somebody has scribbled now. Please erase it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did not write.
What you didn't write? Acha, you didn't write. No, those are okay, fine. Now I am erasing this, but again, don't do this.
I did not write.
Okay, fine, fine. Be like good children like this. And those who have not written your name in the chat box, please do it because we are running out of time. I hope you understood the chapter. Did you?
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
did you understand the lesson
Yes,
Nandita
ma'am.
in Mumbai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any
Yes,
doubts?
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, very good. So notes you write neatly in cursive handwriting. What's it?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I'll send you the
means?
notes. Write it in cursive handwriting. Neatly.
Ma'am, wicked means